Hi, my name is Michaela Harris. I'm the owner and operator of Timberlake Marketing. I wanted to take just a few minutes today to show you what I see when I try to pull up your business on Google and what other customers are seeing when they search for tattoo shops in your area. I hope that by the end of this short video, you at least walk away with some knowledge that you can use to help your business, whether you choose to use our services or not. So first and foremost, when I pull up your business on Google, I do see a Google My Business profile, which is great. I do see that you have a 4.7 rating and 116 reviews, which is very nice. It's going to give you a lot of face time with customers. And the fact that when I search tattoo shops in Scottsboro, you show up as #1 in this map section is great. However, not having a website is going to keep you from distinguishing yourself from other people, other shops in the area. So the fact that there's not that many shops in the area, people are going to be more likely to go maybe to the one that's closest to them or to whichever one they see has the most legitimate website. And one thing that you can do to distinguish yourself from them is to create a website with good content that's going to make it to this first page, that's going to make it above these Facebook links, so that when they're scrolling through this page, they're going to see your website, they're going to click, they're going to see that it looks professional, they're going to see all the different artists you have working in your shop, the different services you offer, what your artist's talents are, what they specialize in, and possibly even know how far out each of those artists is booked. So it's going to help filter your people a little more, and when they call to schedule an appointment, they're going to at least know, hey, this artist is booked out for 3 months, or am I willing to wait 3 months to get an appointment with this artist? The websites are a great way to help people understand more of how your shop operates, what they need to do before they arrive. They're actually very useful for tattoo shops. We can model websites after any of your favorite shops or any of the websites that you like. Another thing is I can take the top website competitor, which was that first Facebook link for 5 points, and see what keywords they rank for, what backlinks and domains they have. This is not going to be hard to beat, but if you notice, he's #1 in that section. He has 76 people clicking on his Facebook page just from being #1 in that organic section of Google. Now, I do know that your shop also has a lot of organic traffic coming through the Facebook page, but having that website there is going to distinguish you. It's going to make your website more professional than the Facebook pages of other shops. It's going to give them a lot more information about who you are, what your shop does, who your artists are, what their specialties are. It can give a lot of information to a lot of people and set you apart from the other shops in your area. Ultimately, that's going to gain you more clients. It's going to help you filter out and be able to let people know how far out in advance you're booked. It's going to give you a lot of advantages over the other shops in your area. Now, there's some other things that we could do. We do optimize websites to get them to that first page. There's a lot of different things we could do to help your business, and we custom tailor every one of our services to each one of our clients. If you're interested or have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and we can get you a custom tailored plan for your business. Thank you so much in advance, and I appreciate your time.